Hi friends and welcome to my channel. So today I'm starting a new series where I'm going to pull out daily, every day I'm going to pull out a few cards for you guys, and I'm going to tell you what is going to be the energy of the day, how should you move ahead during the day, and what should you do and not do during this day. Now this is a new series that I'm starting, and this is in addition to whatever videos that I do every day. So don't worry, you will have all your videos also coming, but here you will not see my face. I'll just do it at a different space where I read my cards, because my daughter will be around, so I don't want it to be kind of the typical video, and these are going to be quick videos, so these will just give you a few tips during the day, and these are applicable on any day you watch them, so not necessarily if you're watching them the day it is posted, they are equally applicable. Now the only thing that I want from you guys is that when you receive these videos and when you listen or watch these videos, please ensure that you give a feedback to me and tell me if you want these videos, if you are okay with these videos, if they are helpful to you. Only then I will continue these videos, because they will be in addition to whatever I'm doing. Now the first card that I got for your energy for today is Four of Pentacle, and if you see, this is not a typical Four of Pentacle card, because in typical Four of Pentacle card you see like a person sitting with four pentacles, the person cannot move, but here this person has created four castles or tower like things, structures around him. He's sitting in between, and if you see, this could be the light of his heart, but this could also be like a utensil he's holding which has water into it, because this structure is such. Now if you think about like a castle or a structure built out of sand, if you put water on it, it gets washed away, but if it is a structure that is made of proper like bricks and everything, it needs water to become stronger. So similarly, there will be people and situations around you, and you will have to ensure how do you want to nurture those different people or situations, because some will actually fall out with a lot of emotional express, but some will become stronger. So today is the energy where you have to actually be very sure about your heart energy. Your emotions should be balanced, and at the same time you should also be careful about how do you deal with people around you. So not closing yourself, but opening your heart and dealing with people in the way they are meant to be dealt with. Second, if you see, you can see the shadow of each of this at least two and a half, actually this is half shadow, and if you'll see two shadows of this. So basically sunlight is important. I would say that if possible, though it's very hot nowadays, but if possible, take some sunlight, that's going to be important. Water intake is going to be important today, and also along with that, shadow always is something that kind of remains with us, right? So it kind of is always with us in the light, and otherwise it is not, but it is kind of a companion, and it gives us the direction of the sun. So be very careful about the things that happen, the directions that you get today, and the messages that you get today, but spend some time with yourself in silence. That's going to be important, and that's the message that I get from the other cards as well. In terms of health, take care of your heart health today. Otherwise water intake is something that's going to be important. The second card that I got is cards from Mermaid, and it is healing. Now this card says that healing is very important today, and if you feel that you are not feeling well, heal yourself, spend some time healing yourself, but also this might be a calling from somebody else, some other people who need healing, and you can actually help them to heal. So it is very important for you for today to take out some time, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever you can take out from your daily routine, and heal yourself, heal the world, heal the people around you. And if you see, there is a lot of water in this card. So like I said, water intake is going to be very important. Have lots of water today. Second, water is also intuition. Your intuition can be all time high if you actually believe in yourself and if you believe in your intuition. Third, if you see, there is a sunlight that's coming from the clouds. So if possible, absorb some sunlight today. If there is rain, there are clouds, still spend some time outside in nature or in water. Another thing is there is healing, but there are people who are from different walks of life. There are males and there are females also, so everybody is equally participating in this healing. So participate with people and do healing for yourself and for the world, for everybody around you, because your energy needs it and somebody else definitely needs it, and a new light or new information or new things will come into your life if you actually start healing from today. The third card that I got is the card of silence, and it says be still, for the answers lie in the silence, and this is number 30th. 30 and today is 30th, but if you're watching it in any other date then 30th, then doesn't mean that this does not apply. But the card says that you need to be still for a while. This person has left his diary and something is on the diary. This could be a pen or this could be a mobile phone. So keep your phone, keep your books and everything away for a while and sit quietly for a while, because you are going to get some answers today. Also, if you see butterflies, there are butterflies. Butterflies are sign of transition. Flowers are signs of transition or growth. So definitely something is coming, the growth is happening and it will happen. And the silence could also be where you need like it could be that you might feel that today is very silent, nothing is happening, but the silence could be because the answers are about to come. So you prepare yourself for answers. And then there is water here. So water is definitely intuition. Your intuition is going to be high and good today. So please believe in yourself, believe in your intuition. The last card that I have, again it is number 3, and if you see this is also number 3. 30 is number 3, 39 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is again number 3. This is Archangel Gabriel, and it says call in the pure white light, and that's again a card of healing. So if possible, call in the white light. Sit, and you don't have to only sit with Archangel Gabriel or no Archangel Gabriel. Anybody who you follow, who you believe in, who's left the body, be it a guru, be it a god, be it anybody, is an angel who you can actually pray to, who you can connect with the energy of. So you don't have to specifically call in a particular angel. And also if possible, you can see the video in Soul Growth Journey or the healing playlist, and you will know how to call in the white light or how to do white light healing. So just go to the playlist healing and you will know how to do that. But do some self healing today, and healing for the world, it is going to be very important. And white light is also at times purity and information. And because I didn't take out your cards live, because I just carried this from Hindi video, I'm going to take one additional card for you guys. So what is the message for viewers? Angels, what is the additional message for viewers? Okay, there are many cards that kind of came out, so I'm going to pick a few of them. Okay, so if you see 8 of Swords card, there is this person who is feeling tied up but actually not tied up. So that's the energy, that's today. The way you feel, the way you make yourself feel is how you will feel today. So ensure that your energies are not into this. You're not feeling tied up, you're not feeling problematic, you're not feeling struggling with yourself, you're not stuck at all. Practice grounding. Again, this is a Page of Pentacle. It is grounding plus healing. So practice grounding today. Some messages or some positive news is coming your way. Some connections might happen this today. Some messages might come, but that's only if you sit alone in silence with yourself. And last, 9 of Wands. 9 of Wands is a card where you are actually standing on the boundary, waiting for something to happen. There is light, there is weight, and that weight definitely gives you some kind of result. And if you see, she is in silence. If you see, she is alone. So just be in silence, just be with yourself, and don't feel stuck today. Something better is coming your way. Definitely some positive messages are coming your way. And my daughter picked up one card out of those. So thank you so much. If this video is helping you, please do share the feedback, and please do let me know that this is, oh wow, so this is something that I missed, guys. And there's a card of Justice sitting there on another end. So yes, this is beautiful. So know that you don't have to open your eyes and keep looking for things. Believe in yourself, close your eyes, and you will see justice happening. So there is a balance. Have yourself balanced and know that justice is coming. So that's additional message for you guys. So all the very best. Thank you so much, and I hope this helps. Thank you. Bye bye.